Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve photos save without music. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat photos save without music, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will go to click on force stop and you click OK. Here we'll go to enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another